Hey, food enthusiasts. Today, we have something incredibly exciting for you. Have you ever dreamed of opening a Brazilian restaurant abroad and sharing the rich, flavorful world of Brazilian cuisine with the world? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can turn this dream into a delicious reality and make it a huge success. Brazilian food is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, colors, and traditions. From the savory and hearty feijoada to the irresistible pão de queijo, our cuisine has something for everyone. But how do you turn these delicious recipes into a profitable business outside Brazil? Let's break it down. First things first, research is key. Start by understanding the local market. Is there a demand for international cuisine? Who are your potential customers? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your menu and marketing strategy. Don't forget to scout for the perfect location. A place with good foot traffic and visibility can make a huge difference. Now, let's talk about the menu. Focus on popular and beloved Brazilian dishes that can appeal to a broad audience. Here are a few must-haves. Feijoada, a rich, hearty black bean stew with pork, traditionally served with rice, collard greens, and orange slices. Pão de queijo, delicious, chewy cheese bread rolls that are a hit with everyone. Brigadeiro, a sweet treat that no one can resist, chocolate truffles made with condensed milk and cocoa powder. Moqueca, a flavorful fish stew made with coconut milk, tomatoes, and peppers. Caipirinha, Brazil's iconic cocktail made with cachaça, lime, and sugar. Authenticity is crucial. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients to recreate the true flavors of Brazil. Whenever possible, source ingredients from Brazilian suppliers to maintain that authentic taste. Your customers will appreciate the genuine experience. Creating the right ambience is just as important as the food. Decorate your restaurant with vibrant colors, Brazilian artwork, and music that captures the spirit of Brazil. Make your place a little slice of Brazil where customers can immerse themselves in our culture. Marketing is your best friend. Utilize social media to showcase your delicious dishes and vibrant atmosphere. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes content, cooking tips, and Brazilian cultural insights. Special promotions, Brazilian-themed events, and collaborations with local influencers can also boost your visibility. Last but not least, focus on providing an excellent customer experience. Friendly, attentive service can turn first-time visitors into regular customers. Listen to feedback and continuously improve your offerings and service. Visit the link on my channel page to access the best Brazilian recipes. So, there you have it. With the right planning, authentic recipes, and a passion for Brazilian culture, you can open a restaurant that not only introduces the world to our amazing food, but also becomes a thriving business. Remember, the heart of Brazilian cuisine is all about sharing joy and flavor. Good luck and happy cooking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty tips and recipes from Food BR Tips. See you soon.